cylinders. The airflow around these ducts looks promising.
Yes, the CFD models confirm the efficiency gains at low altitude. We need to review the cooling system integration here.
Yes, the thermal load on the batteries is critical at this junction.
The thermal load here is exceeding the yield strength. We need to reinforce this section.
Adjusting the fiber orientation now. That should reduce the stress concentration. We need to optimize the electric motor layout for the 8-ducted system based on these blade angle calculations. Adjusting the pitch here increases efficiency by 3%.
We're showing red on the thermal map near the main conduit.
Increasing the flow rate. It's shifting to blue now.
The AI stability parameters are conflicting with the navigation input on sector gamma. Reroute the telemetry data through the secondary buffer and check the inversion. The stability graphs are holding steady during the pitchover maneuver. Telemetry confirms the alignment. We are within acceptable parameters. The structural integrity at this joint exceeds projected tolerances. The assembly sequence is optimized for the new line. Excellent, this is ready for manufacturing.
The tolerances are well within specification on this run. Good. The carbon weave looks flawless.
Autoclave loading sequence complete. Roger that. Initiating seal and pressurization.
This section here is reading slightly outside tolerance. We should rerun the level 3 diagnostic.
Check the thermal mapping on section 4. Looks good. Green across the board. The structure is sound. The vibration on the second harmonic is dropping.
Inputting the correction factor now. It looks stable. The efficiency curve is exceeding projections at this RPM. Rerunning the diagnostics on the thermal load now. The AI flagged cell 742 as unstable. Confirmed. The robotic arm just sorted it to the disposal chute.
Verify the calibration on the voltage sensors.
Confirmed. Alignment is perfect. The BMS is online.
The voltage stabilized right at the target.
And the thermal readings look completely nominal. We are good to proceed.
The laser alignment is reading green. Torquing the final bolts now.
Confirmed. The module is secure.
Diagnostics complete. Flight firmware uploaded successfully. All systems nominal.
Check the pressure differential on cell bank 4 here. Looks nominal. We have full engagement.
Torque on the battery is set. Verification complete. Systems check green.
Confirmed. Systems go for integration.
The AI sequence is green across the board. Confirmed. Telemetry looks nominal. We are ready for alignment. RPMs stabilizing across all 8 units. Synchronization is holding steady at 99.9%. The throttle response curve is stabilizing.
Confirmed. Moving to algorithm check B.
Cross-reference the IMU readings with the laser alignment data.
Looks stable. Altitude sensors are nominal. Calibration complete. The voltage is stabilizing now, right at the target.
Yes, and the thermal data looks nominal. We have a stable power curve.
Power stabilization confirmed. Fail-safes are active across the board.
All systems nominal. We have a successful test conclusion.
Final calibration checks complete. Propulsion is nominal.
Understood. Systems check is complete. We are go.
Warning, power fluctuation detected. Emergency landing sequence active.
Acknowledged. Maintaining stable hover. Commencing descent to pad 3.
Nailed the landing sequence. Perfect touchdown. Well done, everyone.
Power coming up, stable at 50 feet. Good copy. Maintain present heading. Autonomous landing sequence complete. All systems green. Power down initiated.
Stability metrics are well within the required envelope. Look at the altitude hold.
Yes, the performance data confirms a successful hover stabilization test. We can proceed.
It's an honor to present you with the key to the first production model.
Thank you. It's